Best Walk-in Tubs in 2021. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Bathing Solutions. With Bathing Solutions, you can find a large variety of walk-in tubs that are priced within the low to mid-range of average walk-in tub prices. Offering a wide range of tubs with different characteristics, the company impresses customers with a diverse selection. The tubs offered by Bathing Solutions do not all fit the same. Ameriglide Sanctuary Walk-in Tub. American Glider offers seniors and people with disabilities a wide range of accessibility aids. Ameriglide's mission is to provide mobility and accessibility solutions at affordable rates to an array of clientele. As a result, Ameriglide produces 13 walk-in tubs from its Sanctuary range. Spirit Walk-in Tubs. A small but mighty champion of the American-made sector of the industry, Spirit Walk-in Tubs is a smaller company, but mighty in its own right. This company is outstanding in several areas, including its customer service, possibly speaking with its owner, Ron, as well as its reasonable prices. It's refreshing to talk to the company over the phone about its pricing in detail. Hydro Dimensions Walk-in Tubs. Two different product lines are available, namely the HD Series line and the Specialty line. You can get an idea of what's offered by each line by looking at the tub we've reviewed. Typically, the specialty tubs are big or are designed to accommodate individuals with limited mobility. American Standard Walk-in Tub. American Standard has over 140 years of industry experience and has undergone numerous mergers and acquisitions. Despite changing names over the years, American Standard has always maintained its core value of innovation. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.